Mounting the front plate on the 2026 Model Y Juniper is a little bit trickier than the rear plate because you do have to center the base or you mount the plate onto. Now I did hang a weighted string right in this gap here on the daytime running light. Same thing on this side, and I confirmed that the camera is actually perfectly centered, and you can actually see that on the grill too. The grill has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical supports, and the camera is centered on the middle one, and the grill looks symmetrical, but after measuring it, it is right in the middle, so you can use that as a reference. But I'm going to start by cleaning this painted surface. It's very dirty after a storm yesterday, and I'm not going to wash the whole car till tomorrow, but I'm just using some soapy water here to clean the surface I'm going to be working on, getting enough water on there to have a rinsing effect, getting the loose dirt off of there. And there is some protectant and wax that I put on the painted surface as soon as we bought the vehicle, so I'm going to use some alcohol solution to get that off, because otherwise the 3M tape might not stick as it's designed to do so. Now let's kind of see how this is going to sit. It has a curvature to it which matches the curvature of the bumper here, so it kind of wants to sit in a natural position. You can kind of feel where it wants to sit. So now that I confirmed the camera's in the middle, I'm going to take one of these weighted strings, center it on the camera, and just put a bit of tape here as a guide, as a visual guide. Now there's also a circular bit here right in the middle of the plate that I think you can also use to center it visually with the camera. Yeah, so I think I'll just do that. Okay, so now let's get some alcohol solution. It's 50% diluted isopropyl alcohol, and this will get the surface nice and clean to make sure the 3M adhesive has no issues adhering. That should be good. Yeah, you feel the paint get sticky. The surface go back to having a high friction instead of the slick surface you get when you have protectant or wax on there. So now let's go ahead and confidently peel this all off. Now I think an easy way to line things up actually will be to put a bit of tape here centered at the camera, and then let's measure the plate mount width here. Oh, it's exactly a foot, so right at 6 inches. Stick a piece of tape as a reference. Line up the tape here at the bottom. Oh, be careful, that was not the bottom. The bottom is where this ramped section tapers down. Right at 6 inches. So again, the frame naturally wants to sit on the right part of the bumper. We just need to line up the tape I centered over the camera, the tape on the frame itself, or the mounting plate, and then just roll it forward onto the paint. 30 seconds to a minute. The front mounting plate is properly aligned with the curvature. You're going to see that this edge of the painted surface lines up almost perfectly with this edge here, and actually the bottom holes for the plate line up with this edge, and you can confirm that the adhesive is seated properly in that orientation. Not too bad, but there are a few tricks to get it done right. You can also just go to your Tesla showroom and have them do it. To mount the front plate onto the base, use the self-tapping screws. There was 4 for the back, and there's 4 more for the front. And I'm going to use a handheld screwdriver instead of an electric driver, just to make sure I don't strip the plastic. I used an 1/8 of an inch drill bit to pre-drill the back bumper. These are ready to go without any pre-drilling required. Fairly coarse thread screws, so it doesn't take a lot of turns to get them to seat, leaving them all loose for now, and I'll tighten them down once I get them all started. A lot of people don't like to mount a front plate on their Teslas. I actually think the car looks better with a front plate, because without a grille you have this big expanse of painted plastic that looks strange without something to break it up. I actually prefer the look of Teslas with a front plate mounted. Shocking to most people, but I think people just get into this echo chamber where one person says, oh, I don't want a front plate, then everybody just repeats it and says, yeah, front plates look ugly. I like front plates on Teslas in particular. So there we go, nice and centered. Subscribe for more Tesla tips and mods, and if you're looking to buy a Tesla, use my referral code in the description for the latest Tesla discounts.